Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Nasdaq, and on this chart we have been tracking this as a 1 2, and then we had here another 1 2 setup. Then this would be the third wave to the upside that is, in my opinion, quite close to a finish. Could have possibly topped even already, but I am still tracking continuation for now. And yeah, then we would be looking for a larger wave 4, and in case we actually topped, we do have the support zone for such a wave 4 that is between $11,300 down to the $4.9K level at the 50% retracement. Now here in the shorter time frame we are still tracking this fifth wave to the upside that could still have a few more moves to actually complete. Now in the previous video, I even provided you a closer level of support in the idea that we could still see some sort of a continuation, in the idea that we would be tracking an ending diagonal within this fifth wave, and in that case, we did reach the 38.2% retracement level at the 23K level, and we did create a decent reaction to the upside. Now, we don't know if this is actually the fifth wave to follow here in orange, where this would have been like a 1 2 3 4 5. It could still be just an ABC that's still developing to the downside. We will track both scenarios, and let's even add that idea to the chart. So yeah, a target for this C wave to the downside, considering we topped here in the wave B, would be the 100% extension of the A wave, and yeah, then we would be looking at the 22.750K level at around the 50% retracement. We also have some structural some structural support levels as well here, quite strong support level in my opinion, and then we could still be looking in continuation to the upside. But we need to keep in mind that quite possibly here we formed a 5-wave move to the upside, and we could be looking at the 1-2 setup instead of this C wave to the downside. And this would be for the orange interpretation, and whoops, I did an oopsie there. It's instead an ABC pattern that would be developing to the upside in this case. And yeah, let's use a different degree here, and I would be looking at the levels between 23.4K down to around the 23.1K at the 78.6% retracement, and a break below this level at the 23.1K would be rather an indication or a suggestion that we may break down more directly in the C wave to the downside. And let's in fact use the yellow scenario for this idea, and even mark this for the yellow interpretation. And yeah, let's leave such levels to be prepared for the targets to the downside. Now I have to say that this sharp correction actually quite expected following a diagonal pattern, and this movement to the upside would have been a leading diagonal in a wave A. Certainly this fifth wave has a clear 3-wave structure, and this is all going according to plan. Now also, based on the overall larger structure, we did find support at the first level with here at the 23.4K level, instead after previously finding support at the 38.2% retracement. So in my opinion, we have actually quite good chances of finding a bottom somewhere in this area. I'm not going to try to predict where. We do have the support zone, and the entire support zone is valid. As I said, breaking below the 78.6% retracement would be a first indication that we are in the C wave to the downside instead, and a break below this, the start of this A wave to the upside at the 23K level, yeah, around there, would be an actual formal invalidation of the idea that this is an ABC structure that is developing in the fifth wave to the upside. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.